you're seeing this shit, right? Oh my god! Yo! Super flame, bro! Super flame! Yo, what's good, guys? Back at the vlog. You know we've been out for a little bit, but that's just because of school. We're back on winter break, so we about to continue with the vlogs, you know. Gotta keep things going. So far for me and Jair's cars, there are a lot of changes, and we just haven't had time to do enough videos for you guys, and I'm really sorry, but we're trying to catch back up. So right now Jair is we're about to do his test pipe because, you know, this man is trying to shoot flames like me. Your boy shoots flames now.
What I am trying to do, I'm trying to make at least 280 wheel. I'm trying to get this to the dyno this Friday, I'll say. Hopefully with the test pipes, because I have 5-foot cast on, and they're alright. But of course, less restriction with test pipes. So I'm trying to make at least 280 to the wheel. I'm trying to beat, because this is a non-rev up, and you know, they get a lot of hate. So I'm trying to see what
DE guys, DE.
full bolts on, headers, everything. So I'm trying to do just like that.
He actually thinks he's about to make 280. Well, we'll see on the dyno.
Yeah, I know y'all probably gonna be like, bro, why is this man saying 280, bro? It's like,
So
unreasonable.
as of right now, like I said, we're about to put on his test pipes to get ready for the dyno. This car is full bolt on. Everything is on the car. You got the plenum spacer. You got the HKS intake. He has some aftermarket headers on the car. He has high flow cats. Let me go to the back. Top speed exhaust. And then, oh yes, he has Z1 motor mounts. And then, what else is on the car? Oh yeah, he has a Z1 white pipe. Is it Z1 white pipe? Z1 white pipe. Anything else? Oh yeah, throttle body.
Oh yeah,
NWP throttle body.
75
And the spacer. And
you already said that, boy.
I think that really concludes everything that's on this car. So right now we about to take out the intake and then jack up the car on all fours, and then after that we're gonna fill you guys back in on what we about to do next. So we about to get to work.
Alright guys, so we removed the So when I was under the car just now, removing from my high flow cats, this bolt was in with no back piece, bro. So that joint was literally just dangling there, bro.
Oh my god.
So yeah.
When I started your house.
So we just jacked up the car. We used a book, one of my parents' old books, to hold up the wheel a little bit higher. Let me show y'all from under the car.
We ain't got no lighting, so.
Yeah, so it's gonna be hard to see, but that line right, that white line is the O2 sensor. This is the high flow cat, of course. And up there is the headers.
Bro, they can't see nothing.
Yeah, matter of fact, no point in talking to you.
Alright guys, so after like an hour, we finally got out the high flow cat. For the top one that connects to your headers, you gotta take out 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. The best way to do it is to do it from the top and get the bolts from the top. You're probably gonna need like a extension to probably reach all the way over here to get it. But since we didn't have an extension, we had to go under the car and then try to do it under the car, which took a little longer. But in all, we finally got it out. And then for the bottom, which connects to your white pipe, is just 2 bolts. Those are like their easiest. You get them from under the car. And right now we about to take out the O2 sensor. Most of the time for the O2 sensors, depending on like how old your car is, those 2 sensors, they're like really hard to get out. So you might want to spray with some WD-40 or some PB Blaster for like 5 minutes, just to like take off some of that rust or stuff like that.
Get the light,
And
I'm
then-
trying to show the inside of the cat.
Oh yeah, and y'all, this man, these cats are still clean as I don't know.
I recommend these brakes. They did the backfires and everything was good. The sound was great, and it's holding up pretty good. Past emissions and everything, like I showed you.
And so right now we about to take out the high flow and then put in the test pipes. And then we put in the test pipes. We're gonna fill you guys more in on some more stuff. All right.
All right.
So just want to let y'all know before we put in test pipe. Just wanted to show y'all how to take out the O2 sensor. So you can use this tool right here. It's like I don't know what size it is, but it has like an open head where you fit in the cord and then it goes to like right in there. But before you try to take that out, here you can hit it with some PB Blaster. It's like the best. Well, I would recommend everybody to get this PB Blaster because
or WD.
Or WD. While I was doing my coilovers, this really helped me out a lot with all my bolts and everything. Not like I'm sponsored by them or anything, but I'm just trying to put that out there that they're really good, and it's been working out really good for me. So what you want to do is you want to put a towel under your sensor as you spray, so nothing gets on the floor. See, like that. Sorry, my thing's kind of messed up, but just spray it down a little bit. He has fairly new sensors. They were just replaced like a few months ago. Yeah, about a year ago. So I don't think it's gonna be like that corroded or have like too much rust buildup.
But for anybody with stock cats, definitely gonna want.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna want to soak it for a few days. So you just put the tool, hold it on, and then there we go. See how easy that was? That's why it's good to change your sensors after every year or two if you frequently work on your car.
And now to put it on the test pipe.
But put it on test pipe. So guys, so here we have the Burke test pipe.
They look very similar to the high flow cat.
Yeah, it's basically the same company. Yeah. So to get the O2 sensor, just screw it in. Most of the time, I would advise you to put like some type of like seal, like I wouldn't say sealant, but something like on the threads to help you when you're taking it out at another time. But since we don't have any right now, we're just gonna go ahead and just put it on and then tighten it. You want to make sure you always take your time when doing stuff like this. Hold on. Alright. And then just tighten this away. Alright. Once it's tight, you're practically done with this, and then we need to seal up that hole. So I'm gonna take out the bolt from right here and transfer it to this one.
And anybody watching this, if you are trying to buy these, DM us on Instagram, Straight6. Give us a follow, DM us. These are for sale.
And do not cheap out on these because those are actually really good.
Yo.
Alright, go ahead. There you go. Whoa! Oh my God! Keep going, bro. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. A little bit higher, a little bit higher. Keep going, higher. Keep going, Jay, keep going, keep going. Jay, keep going. Jay, keep going now. Oh my God.
Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're doing something a little bit different in this video. So today we just want to talk about how we're going to go forward with everything. We haven't really been posting for a while, so we just want to cover this. Stop it.
So basically, we wanted to tell you guys that we're gonna try a lot more now to post more videos for you guys during this break. A lot more content, a lot more vlogs, daily vlogs especially. And you know, just to provide you guys with good enough content, man, because you guys deserve it. And another thing, we have new members in Straight Six.
Member.
And, well,
Just one.
Yeah, just one member.
His name is Ant.
His name's Ant.
I don't think y'all never seen him before. We met him over the summer, but he's never been in a video. But as time came, he had the same vision with us, so we decided to pick him up. And he's been a great friend. He's like a brother to all of us.
Yeah, I'm gonna meet him tomorrow. So, and then another thing we wanted to go over during these past few months, we've been working on our cars a lot, and we haven't had time to do videos for them. And so we were lucky enough to get a few sponsorships from several companies. And Jair over here got a sponsorship from a wash company.
B-Bash Auto Care. Shout out to B-Bash. My code is in the description below. Use Jair15 for 15% off.
So
I haven't used these yet, but looking at their Instagram, it looks really good. I'm very excited for the foam canning, and especially since I want to be in shows as in Import Expo and H2I and other stuff during the summer. I really wanted to partner with somebody that would help me keep my car clean, because car washes are way too expensive, and you could also damage your car if you go on the tray one. You know what I'm saying?
he doesn't want us to use the products until he gets his wheels.
Yeah,
So,
because I'm selfish.
yeah, that's just how he is. So I gotta keep my car dirty until he gets his wheels. How selfish is that? But yeah,
I have to let him not use my sponsorship. Fuck it, I messed up.
all right. So for me, I got the 6 Feet sponsorship, and you guys should probably check them out. They have a lot of good parts.
And for both of us, we had the Import Image sponsorship, which is a really good company. I bought my HKS, the honeycomb intake from them, and they don't even sell it anymore. I was very shocked. They get it for a great price. It's a great company. And for the whole of Straight Six, we have a sponsorship from Simple Tire, and that's where I'm going to be getting my tires for my wheels, for my ESRs.
So you should probably check out Simple Tires. They have really good customer service.
Great prices, unbelievable.
Really good prices. The employees, they really work with you, try to get the best tire and the best price. And
shout out Alex.
Yeah,
shout out
we gotta
Alex.
give a shout out. And also another thing about Import Image is that
That it? Yeah, I think that's about it.
yeah, that's all about it. And just all you guys stay in tune.
Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Please like,
Be
comment,
with
subscribe.
us for this journey. We're gonna make it.
Don't forget, we're trying to be in Import Expo this spring.
Both FedEx Field and DC Convention Center.
And
Like our first video. How crazy would it be a year from our first video, we're in the show instead of just recording? So that's what we're trying to do. That's our plan for Straight Six.
So thank you very much, guys. We'll see you
See y'all
later.
later.